Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the most important theory question that you need to study under the subject Performance Management and Career Planning, also known as PMCP. This is the Human Resource Elective under BMS section. So again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM student. Now in this video, we are first going to discuss about what are the long answers that you need to cover up, and thereafter the short notes. So let us see from each module wise what long answers you need to cover up in order to get excellent marks in this particular subject. So under module 1, these are the first set of questions. Explain in brief how performance management evolved in the different stages. Second, what are the best practices in performance management system? Next, explain in detail all the steps of performance management cycle. Next, explain the performance management cycle itself. So, a separate answer can also become. Okay, so these are the first set of questions under module 1. You all can go through it once. Okay, these are the next set of questions under module 1. Explain the concept of performance management and explain its characteristic and components. Discuss the linkage of performance management with other HR functions. Discuss the need and importance of performance management. Discuss the future of performance management. So these are the remaining questions from module 1. Okay, now for module 2, these are the following set of questions. What are the various approaches in performance appraisal? Discuss how compensation is linked to performance management. Distinguish between performance appraisal and performance management. Explain the strategies for effective implementation of performance management. And explain the steps for setting up performance criteria. These are the first set of questions under module 2. You all can go through it once. Okay, next, explain in brief the performance management process. What is performance benchmarking and explain the various methods and benefit of setting benchmarks. Explain performance monitoring and its process. And lastly, discuss the high performance team. Okay, next, module number 3. What are the issues and challenges faced by companies in implementing performance management system? Second, explain the concept of potential appraisal and its steps in detail. Third, explain the nature of code of ethics in performance management. Fourth, what is performance related pay and explain the advantages and disadvantages. These are the first set of questions. Okay, next set of question. What is contribution related pay? What are the approaches to managing underperformers? What are competency and skill based pay and the advantage and disadvantages? Next, what do you mean by ethical performance management? And what are the principles of ethical performance management? Okay, these are the remaining set of questions under module 3. You can go through it once. Next, module number 4. What is the role of employer and employee in career planning and development? Next, what are the factors affecting individual career planning? Next, we have elaborate on the Japanese model of career planning. Next is explain the role of mentor in career planning. Next, we have explain the various career development models in brief. Next, important one, explain the role of technology in career planning and development. Elaborate on the pyramidal model of career planning. Okay, so these are all the questions from module 4. You can go through it once. Okay, last short notes: ethical performance culture, high performance team, potential appraisal, performance management cycle, pyramidal model of career development, underperformance, contribution based pay, best practice in performance management, need of performance management. Okay, these are the first set of short notes, very important ones, so you can go through it. Okay, and last, performance related pay, mentoring, ethical issues in performance management, performance planning, trait approach of performance appraisal, behavior based approach, role of mentor in career planning, competency and skill based pay, high performance team, and Japanese career model. Okay, so these are all the important short notes and long answer that you need to cover up under this subject. Chalo, I hope everyone have noted it down. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.